So the next tool we're going to use is the paint bucket tool. So I'm going to go ahead and select that here. And as you can see over here, it opens up our material tab. And what I can do here is I'm going to go ahead and select this item here, which is our eyedrop tool, or here it's called the sample paint. So we can click on it once, and here we see this little eyedrop icon. So we can select any material in our drawing and it will make that the active material here. So I'm going to do something here before I get into this. I'm going to use my select tool. I'm going to click on my component here and I'm going to explode it. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to right click and go to explode, and now it is no longer in that group setting, or it's no longer a component, it's just, you know, lines and surfaces right now. So here I can go to my colors, and this is the default materials that SketchUp comes with. So here we can select just a number of different defaults that it has, and we can add some to this, which we will discuss in a later lesson. We can add some custom materials to our material library. But for now, we are just going to, let's use colors named, and we're just going to go ahead and play around with this material tool so you can see how it works. So let's go ahead and let's just select a random color here. Let's select the darker green, maybe this dark olive green here. And now we're just going to select on our objects here, our surfaces, and there we can see that we can change some of the surface colors in our model. And we can also go to the default. We can change them back to SketchUp's default setting by just clicking here, and here we can select on any object, any surface, and it will set it to the defaults. So very simple tool to use, the material tool, very easy, and we will go over some more advanced features that this does. When you get into editing, you can actually edit each one of these materials. Let's just show you real quick. Just click on the eyedrop tool. Let's select the pants there, and let's try that again. Okay, so now it's on pants, and I could go to edit, and here I can use several different methods to change the color. I can select my color wheel, and it just gives us a few different options of modifying the color. And let's just go back to the color wheel, and there we can see is we could change those to whatever color we want. So this works for any material that you have in your model. So real easy to use, and also gives us a lot of other features too that we will get into as we move forward with the course. But that is just a brief overview of the material tool. Now let's move on to the next one.